Losing money on forex trading is very much heartbreaking. It's stressful. It really drains you a lot. So that's why you really need to make sure that every transaction you make, every trade you enter is profitable to you. But you won't be doing that if you have got a lot of misconceptions and the wrong ideology about forex. That's why we are here for you. So as you can see, these are my running trades, and remember that maybe for those who are new, this is my funded account, so that's why you can see amazing numbers just at the top. So for those who don't know how to get your funded account, don't worry, there is a link on the video description. You can get your own funded account from as little as 30 US dollars. So relax, I am here for you. So today I want to show you another amazing strategy that I will be using to make sure that everybody is winning, none is losing money. So let me just choose this one. So let me just go for the highest and let's see how we entered our trades on it. So let's just open the chart and see. So my dear friends, we make money, but we have to make sure that we have got the right information and we have got the right skill to do it. So once again, remember that, maybe just for a quick recap, we used to say that we wait for price to hit the 90 line level, and then we wait for price to close below the 80 line level, and then we said we go up and check for a bearish engulfing candle just right straight from where price touched the 90 line level. So price touched the 90 line level at this point, so going up straight, you can see that we have a bearish engulfing candle over here, and we have got another one over there. So that is how we enter our trade. But today I want to show you something, another trick that is here to make money for you, that is here to make sure that everybody doesn't lose money. So now, my dear friends, I'm going to show you something. So when price hits the 90 line level like here, and then price coming down below the 80 line level, we are now entering our sell end, right? But then, because we want to maximize profits, we want to make sure that we get as much as we can, no matter how little the profits are, but we really need to make sure that we try to maximize our profits. So when you get, or when price gets to the 50 line level, which is just this one over here in the weekly, now you make sure that you take half profits. Make sure you take your half profits when you get to the 50 line level. Okay, maybe some people were not here, or they didn't get the last video I posted. I think I need to give you the settings for how we put the RSI and the moving average. So what you are going to do is that you're just going to click on the screen, and then what you're going to do is that you are going to come to this place over here. So when we get there, this is what you are going to find: the relative strength index and the moving average. But because your screen right now is empty, I'm just going to run you very quick, because this is something that I already spoken about from the previous videos, but I still don't want to leave you behind. So you're just going to click the F function from the main chart, and when you get there, you're just going to scroll down and look for the relative strength index. So the relative strength index is just over here, so just click on it, and then let's calibrate our RSI. So we enter period 1, apply to close, style for pixel, and then we make it black. And then what we are going to do is to come here, because we want to enter the levels. So after you press over there, you are now going to begin to enter the levels. But because you won't be having any, or you're just going to have two on some phones, we are going to use that plus sign over there to make sure that you enter the trades. So we are going to use 95, we're going to use 90, we're going to use 80, we're going to use 20, 10, 5, and 50, and make sure you put it on 3 pixel, and then you're just going to go back and then indicator window 1. So when we click more indicator window 1, we want the moving average. So this is what we are looking for. So let's enter the moving average. So we're going to enter period 60. We're going to shift 0, exponential, close, 2 pixel and make it red, and we click save. So now we've got our two parameters over here, our two indicators, the RSI and the moving average. So we're just going to go back to the chart. So this is how it's going to appear. So now, my dear friends, let me just choose the highest, as I said, this one. So we're going to go to the chart and see how we do this thing. So we said we wait for price to hit the 90 line level, then we wait for price to close below the 80 line level, and remember we said when price gets to the 50 line level, that is when we take half profits, and then or you enter other trades when you get there. So you take half profits and you enter other trades. As easy as that. So the first thing that we do is to make sure that you move your screen sideways, because we want to make sure that price is not repainting. For instance, let's see here, price touched the 90 line level, price came to close below the 80 line level, and then that is when we enter our sell trade. So on the chart, this is where we were, and then we began to enter our trade and price began to go down. Remember I said when price gets to the 50 line level, which is just at this point here, you take half profits and you enter other trades too, because it's just going to be in the middle of the chart over here. So this thing is not complicated. Really, you don't have to stress your life that much. Don't waste your life. Look at here. This is a situation that is not usual in the market. Let's say price hits the 10 line level at this point, and price comes to close above the 20 line level, and remember that is when we enter our buy trade. So we enter our buy trade, and price has been buying all this while. So price has been buying all this while from this point, going all the way till it got here, and then it started to ascend till here. That is when we can enter. We take our half profits, so you take your half profits over there. Price is still going up, mind you. So from here you enter another trade, and then price keeps going, you still make a lot of money. As you can see, that price was ranging in this place, and then price began to shoot up, but probably this was because of the news. Because if you look at this area over here, you can see that surely this was because of the news release, maybe just that area that I'm highlighting over there. So my dear friends, this strategy is working. As you can see, it's working for me. These two red trades, I know that they are going to come around very soon and will be making a lot of money. Remember I said I'll leave the link for Tentrade, where you can have your own funded account. So just look for the link in the video description and go and get your own funded account. Otherwise, feel free to subscribe. I'm here for you. I am here for you. Don't worry. We are here to make money and to make it big. See you next time.